this carbon fiber side skirt from EV Base. I'm gonna show you how to install it. Our Tesla Model 3 has become our toy, our little pride and joy. Thanks to EV Base, I got the whole ground kit. I got the rear diffuser. I got a video on how to install that. And then I got the front lip, that's real carbon fiber. But this side skirt is not a real carbon fiber, it's printed on, so it's very affordable and it's easy to install. And if you do like it, I got the discount code link below. By having a ground kit, it'll prevent a lot of the air from going to the bottom. It'll allow your car to hold onto the ground even more when you're going fast, and it'll give you better mileage. So they say it doesn't really do nothing if you're below like 65 miles an hour, but if you are going fast in the freeway, then it'll help your car stay to the ground, giving you more miles. So even though this side skirt didn't come with a double-sided tape, I had extras. So I'm going to apply the double-sided tape on this thing on top of the screw that it came with. I've seen videos where some of the people just use the screws alone and they said it's fine, but I just wanted to make sure that it just stays in place and it doesn't flap around. And you do have to attach the two pieces together like this. And in the bag of screws, there are smaller screws that you get that you can use to put this together. From the images alone, you can't really tell, but I love how the ground kit actually comes outward. The side skirt also acts like a mud flap. So when the dirt comes up, it's gonna hit the side skirt before it hits the car, and even on the back as well too. So it's got a protection. It'll protect your bottom of your Tesla. The box that it comes with allows you to put it right under the car. It fits perfectly. You could just rest the side skirt and then just push it in and just kind of do it yourself. Very easy to install. So all you need is a power drill, something like this, something small like this, because then I didn't have my car lifted up, but you're gonna need some room for you to go under there and screw it in. So you do have a handful of screws that you have to screw in on the bottom, and it does have little holes for you to guide through. I love EV Base. They hooked me up with everything. Front lip, real carbon fiber, 19-inch hubcap. So I have the sports rim, and this is the only hubcap that exists if you want to cover your sports rim. And then of course the ground kit, and of course the rear diffuser, just a combination of all with black and white trim. So thank you EV Base for hooking me up. I mean, this car is so souped up. You got the hubcap cover from EV Base. You got a cover right here to just kind of put extra carbon fiber on top. You got a carbon fiber cover on top, bullhorn style. The big discount code link below. And if you do buy from me, thank you so very much for your support. And guys, please leave a comment, just say what's up. If you got any questions, to help out with the algorithm for sure. I need all the help I can get. So yeah, guys, I will see you next time.